Welcome back to another Crafty Workshop Builds video. Today, I'm going to be doing a comparison between a Milwaukee Impact Driver and a Ryobi Impact Driver, so stay tuned. This is the Ryobi Brushless 3-speed 1/4-inch Impact Driver. The tool only is currently on sale at Home Depot for $99, and it comes with a 3 years manufacturer's warranty. This is the Milwaukee Brushless Impact Driver, model 2850-20. The tool only is currently on sale at Home Depot for $129, and it comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. The first thing I noticed while comparing these tools is the size. The Ryobi is larger than the Milwaukee, which made me curious to find out the weight difference. The Ryobi weighs in at approximately 3 pounds and 10 ounces with the 2.0 battery installed, and the Milwaukee weighs in at approximately 3 pounds with the 2.0 battery installed. The Milwaukee without the battery is about 2 pounds 1 ounce, and the Ryobi without the battery is about 2 pounds and 11 ounces. The Ryobi is slightly longer than the Milwaukee. The shorter head on the Milwaukee will be better to fit into tight spaces when working. The Ryobi is slightly taller than the Milwaukee. The Milwaukee is rated at 1600 inch-pounds of torque, which is approximately 133 foot-pounds of torque. The Ryobi is rated at 2000 inch-pounds of torque, which is approximately 166 foot-pounds of torque. The Ryobi is rated at 3100 RPM and up to 4,350 impacts per minute. The Milwaukee is rated at 3,200 RPM and up to 4,200 impacts per minute. The Ryobi has a slightly larger battery, which leads to it having a larger base. They both have a variable trigger, which is easy to engage. The Ryobi switch is slightly larger. I'm able to operate both of them without any issues, and both switches are able to lock in the middle. The entire handle on the Milwaukee is covered with rubber. The Ryobi has finger grooves, but the rubber does not cover the entire handle. It is a noticeable difference, but I doubt it will cause any issues with using the tool. The Milwaukee has a single light above the trigger, and the Ryobi has 3 lights on the chuck, which will help to reduce the shadows. The light on the Ryobi is noticeably brighter than the Milwaukee, and both lights will stay on for about 10 seconds after releasing the trigger. Both of the impact drivers comes with a belt clip that can be mounted onto either side. The Ryobi has a magnetic storage on the base and also a slot to store a single bit. The Milwaukee does not have any storage. The 2.0 Milwaukee battery has an indicator light. The older 2.0 Ryobi battery does not have any indicator light. The Milwaukee has the standard chuck You pull to insert the bit and pull to release the bit. The chuck on the Ryobi has a quick change in bit feature. You push the bit and it auto locks, and then you pull to release. The Ryobi has more air vents around the motor. The Milwaukee only has 2 vents. The Ryobi has a speed switch with 3 selection. The low speed goes up to 1100 RPM, the medium speed goes up to 2150 RPM, and the high speed goes up to 3100 RPM. The Milwaukee does not have a speed switch. And now I'm going to do the torque test. I will be doing the test with the 2.0 batteries fully charged. That was way too easy for the Milwaukee, so now I'm going to try the Ryobi. That was also too easy for the Ryobi. Now I'm going to bump it up and aim for 135 foot-pounds of torque. It's a bit tricky to torque it at a specific number with this torque meter, but I will do my best. .136 was not a problem for the Milwaukee. Now let's try the Ryobi. .138 was not a problem for the Ryobi. I'm going to bump it up and aim for 160 foot-pounds of torque. and I'm guessing that was way too much torque for this adapter. Luckily, I had another adapter that I could use, so that I could continue with the testing. Because of the interruption with the broken adapter, I'm going to retorque this and try with the Milwaukee again. The Milwaukee struggled to remove 162 foot-pounds of torque, but remember this impact driver is rated for 133 foot-pounds of torque. Now I'm going to test the Ryobi. The Ryobi was not able to remove 160 foot-pounds of torque. This might be because of the battery size, but remember that both of these batteries are 2.0 amp hour. Maybe I will get some 4.0 batteries to do another test with these impact drivers. Let me know in the comment section below. Now I'm going to tighten using the Ryobi and see if the Milwaukee will be able to remove it. And now I'm going to tighten using the Milwaukee and see if the Ryobi will be able to remove it. Now I'm going to tighten using the Ryobi and use the torque adapter to remove it and see the torque amount. And now I'm going to tighten using the Milwaukee and also check the torque amount. And that's it for this one. Let me know in the comment section below about which impact driver you would prefer to get. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.